Better make sure I've got a firm grip on it actually.
You need a handle.
Oh, the wiggly bits wiggle, that's always good. Yeah, I won't have to do any turns today, Ron. I'll see what the downwind speed's like, eh? It's a bit bumpy, I've got to say. It's not smooth. It's not smooth today. We've had smoother days. How are we going for speed on the downwind? Yeah, she's a bit turbulent up there as well. I've got full throttle on it.
How to get back?
I don't know, I'm on full throttle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what's going on? This is full speed. Full speed, and we're not going very fast. Is the battery flat or something? Whoa! I'm full throttle now, mate. Full throttle! One of these. Now, can we do a landing? This is the big question. Will we make it back to the strip? That's a bigger question. I can tell you, I'm working these sticks, mate. It's very bumpy down here. I have no idea. That last few feet to the runway is getting to be a bit of a... Well, it's a bit of a calm period now, I might be able to get it down. Oh, look at that! So, oh, it's going backwards, Ron. Whoa, whoa! Oh yeah, that's fun. Oh. Yeah, the question people have been wanting to know is, can you fly the Bonsai in a gentle breeze? I think we're going to find out. Hold on. Yeah, I know. Handlines could be a little problematic here. Yeah. Whoa! I think we got a bit of speed on, because it's very touchy. It's quite smooth. It's very smooth up there, you can tell. Is it going to come back? You think you got problems? I'm trying to fly the damn thing. This is a high-speed run, mate. That's going to be a good point, isn't it? Going to go backwards in today's wind, do you think? Then we'll go back. Oh, I've got no rudder on this thing, eh? It makes it really hard in the wind. Your downwind, she's pretty peppy, alright. It's turbulent, Ron. Just a fraction, mate. So does the Bonsai fly in a gentle breeze? Yes, I think it does. Right. Here we go. I think it might be windier than before now. I think the wind might have got up a bit wrong as we went looking. Oh yeah, it is. It goes backwards so fast. Oh, wind. No, I won't do the same. I've some ice in the water. I think there's quite a bit of wind up there, Ron. Yeah, I think so. You never know. I'm full throttle still. Oh, she's bumpy, mate. My thumbs are going 9 to the dozen. Once it gets down, it's probably going to blow away in a giant cartwheel, so... That was alright. Missed the runway, but it's still in one piece. Whoa, I just got it in time.